So previously we did our own layout, which was 8 and then 4, and we've just done Alice's one, which is 12 and then 4 and the 6. How do we do Jaclyn's one, which is 6, 6, 6, 6? Now we're going to do very similar to what we did previously. We're going to make a new section in our index.html, and we're going to call this one, we're going to go down, not Alice layout, we're going to call it Jaclyn layout instead. So we're going to do a section, and we're going to open it up. We're going to give this one a tag, a class of Jaclyn, spelled like that, layout. And this one's going to be a grid layout. Maybe we'll call it grid layout just so we can reuse it if we need to. Now in here, what we want to do is use a 12 column grid in 6s. So what we need to do is directly inside this have like one div tag, which is going to be 6 columns. Then below it, we're going to have another div tag, which is also 6 columns. Now in these two tags, what we're going to say is this has an image inside, and it has some text along with it. So let's just use our own version of this. So again, I'm going to use lost and found, and I'm just going to quickly put inside this div tag h2. I'm just going to tidy this up, lost and found. Now I'm just going to copy this from here and put it inside here as well. So I've got a section and 2 div tags inside of this. Now using my section class grid layout, I'm going to lay this out, of course. So in my style.css, I'm going to add some space for this. So further down here, where we did Alice's layout, we're going to use the same idea, section.grid layout instead. Here, what we want to do for each of these div tags, because section has the layout and the div is the column size, we're just going to do grid column 1/span 6. Now what this will do, if we have a quick look, is we have our own layout, then we have Alice's, and then we have this grid layout going down the page. And the reason they're going down the page at the moment is we say always start in the first column. So 1 to 6, or to 7 I suppose, 1 to the end of 6. Now what we can do is just let the grid work this out. And to do that, what we can say is, well, we don't know if it's always going to start at 1. We know it's going to span 6. So I'm just going to get rid of this 1 and the slash. And what this is going to say is just be 6 columns, fit in wherever you can. So now what we'll see is this grid layout 1, 2. But if we add a third in here, which is the all important key to this, what we're going to see is just automatically by adding another div in here. I'm going to take this whole div, still within the section, pasting it in, and do it again, pasting it in, 1, 2, 3, 4 in there, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can see that it automatically fills the grid. So there's Alice's one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we might want to add some spacing in here, for instance. So H2 has a bit of spacing using a margin. To do that, all we need to do is add some style, and it's pretty easy to do. We're going to say section.grid-layout. We want to pick the H2s inside of this and add some margin, maybe 16 on the top, 16 on the bottom. Let's see how that looks. So I've just added these two things, and that looks pretty good. And what happens if you want to add some text? Well, the same thing, we just add it inside the div tag. So it's just going down the page. So here what I can say is some paragraph text. Just going to get this first bit from up here, paste it in. I'm going to take that p tag, put it under the h2, still within my div, and still within my div, just under the h2 for each one. So now what we'll get is something that looks like the layout that we expect. So that was pretty easy. We just added a quick grid layout, exactly what Jaclyn made in hers.